We now get straight into the action. Earlier we had the task Creative Kids Learning Academy 1 and decided to send New Horizon Prep in to play first. So we begin with them in section 1. Now for this section, both teams will be asked questions alternately and will have 10 seconds in which to answer. Each correct answer is worth 1 point. This section lasts for 4 minutes, so I'm going to have 4 minutes on our Guardian Achiever clock as we begin with Bible knowledge. New Horizon Prep. Who was the older of Isaac's 2 sons?
Esau.
That's right. Creative Kids Learning Academy, Bible knowledge. Who was the older of Rachel's 2 sons?
Reuben.
It was Joseph, incorrect. New Horizon Science. Do our eyes process 10,000, 18,000, or 36,000 pieces of information every hour?
18,000.
18,000.
That's incorrect. It's 36,000. Creative Kids Science. Do snakes detect sound through their skin, their jawbones, or their tongues?
Skin.
That's incorrect. It's their jawbones. New Horizon Local Affairs. It's a visual question. Team, look at the monitor and identify this person.
Who is it? I think it's one of the SSPs. Okay, say it. I don't know. Just say it so it won't pass.
Question passes to Creative Kids. Want to try?
No, thank you.
He's the Police Commissioner, Major General Anthony Anderson. Creative Kids Local Affairs visual for you. Look at the monitor and identify this person.
Sir Patrick Allen.
Governor General, that's correct. New Horizon English Language. What figure of speech is used in this sentence? The teacher told the student 1,000 times to be quiet.
What is it? Say it.
Metaphor.
That's incorrect. It's hyperbole. Creative Kids English Language. What figure of speech is used in this sentence? The shirt was as white as snow after it was washed.
Simile.
That's right. New Horizon Television is a visual question. Look at the monitor and identify the actress.
It looks like Jennifer Lopez. I'm not sure.
Miss Jennifer Lopez.
That is correct. Creative Kids Learning Academy Television, it's visual for you as well. Look at the monitor and identify the actress.
Nia Long.
That's incorrect. It's Tracy Ellis Ross. New Horizon General Knowledge. Accra is the capital of what country?
What country? I don't know. Say a country.
Russia.
That's incorrect. It's Ghana. Creative Kids General Knowledge. What's the capital of Liberia?
Monrovia.
That's right. New Horizon Sports, another visual question. Look at the monitor and identify the person.
Who is it? Say it.
What should I say? Just say something.
Jennifer Fraser.
That's incorrect. It's Jamaican netballer Janelle Fowler. Creative Kids Sports, a visual question for you. Look at the monitor and identify the person.
Aileen Bailey.
That's incorrect. It's Jamaican netballer Romelda Aiken. New Horizon Social Studies. On what date does the autumnal equinox occur in the Northern Hemisphere?
When, Dylan?
I think October 1st.
October 1st.
That's incorrect. It's September 22nd. Social Studies for you, Creative Kids. What's the name given to the equinox, or equinox, that occurs in the Northern Hemisphere on March 20th?
Spring equinox.
Or vernal equinox, that's correct. And that bell means that our time is up. There are no more questions. That's the end of section 1. The scores are Creative Kids Learning Academy on 3 points and New Horizon Prep on 2 points. Now, before we go to the break, here's a friendly tip for our children from Guardian Achiever. And the tip is, if you see anything on the internet which makes you uncomfortable, speak to your parents or an adult you trust. Stay tuned, we'll be back with a junior talent face-off.